calls you baby, but she calls me booby. 32 pictures on my brand new dually. Don't get it fucked up, boy, I keep that Zuli. Teflon guard, man, it's hard to move me. I'm that fellow, rolling good cushion, a cigarillo. Diamonds on my wrist, that's blue and yellow. That's Carmelo, bitch ain't a dime, I don't need to say hello. Throw a couple ones, make her shake it like Jello. I'm so fly, but I'm also ghetto. Up late night, I'm the black Jay Leno. Hood nigga, baby, get the kush by the Leno. This good shit got me high, I can't lie. I'm so fly, till I reach and touch the sky. Hey, my dear, be right here. My rose like it was good. Goddamn, man, I'm feeling myself. Hello? You reached the number of C-O-E-Z. Mr. Ozone, Mr. Hip Hop Weekly. Your girl tried to call me, but it's hard to reach me. I'm still in the streets, tell your girl to meet me. Your girl thinks she know me cause she see me on TV. Don't be a groupie, mommy, keep me moving, be easy. Squad boys, baby, yeah, we get sleazy. I told her I was wrong, she didn't wanna believe me. A bad bitch, shit, walking in your 7-7. Couldn't get a whip, but I don't wanna break the levy. The girl turn Katrina every time she see the Chevy. Sending freaking pictures all on my Blackberry. Champagne belly with a